Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So, is you like your file explorer freezing, crashing, or not responding on Windows 11 and you will getting like this kind of a message? Then don't worry, in this quick video I will show you step by step how to fix file explorer issues so you can get back to work first. So without any further ado, let's get started. So first, let's start by restart file explorer. This fixes most minor features. You just need to be press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape, and this way once you click over here, then you will get to this task manager. So you scroll down and find Windows Explorer. So you scroll down and let's see where is the Windows Explorer, and once you find it out, then you just need to right click it and choose restart. Your taskbar and desktop may flicker, that's normal. Check if file explorer is working now. So when you complete, then you can see that your problem is solved. Then if it is still freezing, then clear the file explorer history. Sometimes old cache cause it to hang. Open the control panels, that file explorer options like this way. Let's open control panel. Let's search for control panel and then go into the file explorer options. So here you can see this is the file explorer options. You just need to come over that place, and from that place you just need to clear your history. So from the general tab you just need to be click to the clear. Once you click over here clear, then eventually you just next to the clear file explorer history, then click OK. Once you click over here to the OK, then it already been done. Try opening file explorer again. So next, make sure your system is up to date. You just need to go to the setting, Windows Update, like this way. Just go to the setting and then go into the Windows Update options. Here you will find out this option in here into the bottom, and then check for updates, and then install any pending updates. Sometimes Microsoft bugs exist, Explorer bugs in new updates. And then in the step 4, you just need to run system file checker. Crafted system files can cause file explorer to stop responding. To fix this, you just need to be open command prompt as administrator and search cmd, right click and choose run as administrator. Type cfc/scanner and press enter. Wait for it to scan and repair any crafted file. This might take a few moments. Also, disable quick access. Like quick access can sometimes cause file explorer to hang. Open file explorer option again under open file explorer to change it quick access to the PC. Also uncheck show recently used files and show frequent use folder in quick access. You just need to click OK, then restart file explorer and check if it is smoother. And that's it for today. Now you know exactly how to fix file explorer not responding in Windows 11. If this video helped you, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day.